Meaning of infix.
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 Infix. Infix refers to a type of notation used in mathematics and computer programming. In this notation, operators are placed between the operands they are operating on. For example, in the expression 2 plus 3, the plus sign is an infix operator placed between the operands 2 and 3. In contrast, prefix notation places operators before the operands, e.g. plus 2 3, and postfix notation places operators after the operands, e.g. 2 3 plus. Infix notation is commonly used in mathematical expressions in programming languages such as C++, Java, and Python.